everybody, I'm Lego Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with Lego bricks. Today we're doing a 3-minute mini build where I try to make a Lego creation in under 3 minutes. And today I'm going to be using a side attachment plate technique that I showed you in one of my special videos to make this engine. Just a commonplace engine, but you can use it wherever you like, and I will show you how to make this, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's start the clock. Okay, the clock is ticking, so let's get started. So we're going to start off with the base of our engine, and we're going to be using a 4x4 standard base plate, but if you want to make a smaller one, then do so. And we're going to bring a 2x2 standard base plate on top of that, and we're going to add the rest to level it out. We're going to be using these 1x2 tiles. I'm using light grey. And there we have the beginning of our base. Now we're going to attach everything else. So we will need these side attachment plates, these facing up ones, and we're going to attach them over here. We're going to fill in the gaps by using these 1x2 standard base plates, one over the front, one at the back. We're going to use a 2x2 standard brick in here in the middle, and on this side we're going to be using a 1x2 brick with a hole in it, and on the other side we're going to use some regular side attachment bricks because we're going to be adding some styling there later. So now we are going to put on top a 2x4 tile, this really big one, and that's the main part of our engine complete. So now we're going to make the styling to our engine. So we're going to be using this slope piece, but you can use any other slope piece if you like, and we're going to attach a 2x4 standard base plate on top. Underneath that we're going to be using a 1x4 standard base plate, and over here on this edge we're going to be adding a base plate. I'm going to be using these translucent yellow ones to give a bit of, glow to the engine. So that's one done. So now we're going to make another one exactly the same. The yellow pieces over here. So now we have our two sides ready. So we're going to bring this, and using the kind of magical measurements, we're going to stick them all together nice and smooth. So now all that's left is the parts for the front. So for this side we're just going to add a regular grill piece like so. That's the air inlet. And we're going to make the spinny part, so we need one of these pins with a stud on it, blue. We're going to add a stud on it, dark grey, and we're going to bring in this round, I don't know, something round on top, and there we've done it. So there we have it, our engine is complete. It's nothing too special. I mean, this is just a very small one. Well, not really very small, but in a sense that you can place it on top of any big car or anything, or you could have it as a standalone thing. Standalone generator, and what's more, it could be electric, it could be diesel, it could be petrol, it could be maybe even, I don't know, sunflower oil if you like. But feel free to use this design anywhere, because I certainly would attach it to some car. But anyway, that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building!